Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Westphalia, long-distance movers near me. When you need help with long-distance moving, 3 Movers is ready to make it easy for you. Our team will ensure the safety of your belongings. We will pack your belongings in an organized and protective manner to keep them safe for the long-distance move ahead. We save you time and effort to focus on other important tasks. Along with long-distance services, we also offer other necessary services, including we are punctual with our services. You will find us on your doorsteps at the scheduled time. We encourage open communication. We will address your questions from start to finish. We are entrusted to complete our responsibilities. Our moving company is licensed and insured. Our movers at 3 Movers are experts in local moving. We can make your move as simple and fast as possible. We will get you packed and resettled in your new space in a matter of a few hours. We are known for our timely and reliable moving services at Westphalia, so expect us right on time on your moving day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westphalia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.